video, we're going to look at simplifying or evaluating this fractional expression. Now, something I have to look at is that I have an addition and I have a multiplication. So I have to decide which one I do first. And if we remember PEMDAS, we can see that we do parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, then add or subtract. So that lets me know I'm going to do this multiply part first. I'm going to multiply 1/3 times 5/8. Now, when we multiply across the top and then across the bottom. So let me write this 5, 6 just for good keeping here in a little bit. We haven't done anything with it, but we're going to. Now let's multiply on the top. 1 times 5 gives me 5. And 3 times 8 will give me 24. Now we're ready to add these fractions, but we don't have a common denominator. So we have to ask ourselves, okay, what would be the common denominator between 6 and 24? Well, I hope you're thinking of 24, since 6 times 4 is 24. So to make a common denominator here, I'm going to multiply this by 4. But if I multiply the bottom there by 4, I've got to multiply the top by 4 as well. So now this becomes 4 times 5, which is 20, and 4 times 6, which is 24. And we can add 5 24ths now. When we add fractions, we just add the tops. So this becomes 20 plus 5, which is 25. And we leave the denominator. Don't add those 24s there, okay? Now, this is considered an improper fraction. Notice the big number is on the top. So it is in simplest form. So if you want to use this answer, you can. Or you could say, okay, well, how many times does 24 go into 25? That's 1. And then there's 1 left over. And we leave that 24 there. So remember, either of these answers are okay, depending on your instructions. If your instructions want a mixed number, you'd use this one. If your instructions want an improper fraction, this one would be okay.